you know, probably most of you know this, but obviously there's no obligation if you call our call our firm. There's no fee and no cost to you in calling our firm or sitting down and talking with me or Daniel or one of the other attorneys working on these orthopedic device cases. We work strictly on a contingency fee basis, and if we're able to recover for you, you make a decision on settlement or going to trial, and we recover a percentage of the ultimate verdict or settlement with your permission if the case is resolved or if we go to trial. So a lot of people I know will still, not knowing that that's the system, obviously be concerned that they're not only having to shell out co-pays and other you know, out-of-pocket expenses for, you know, medical care and doctor's visits. They're also concerned that they're going to have to pay us for our time. Just want to make sure you understand that's not the case. And you can email us or call us, and we'll be happy to talk to you. I don't know if our email's on the screen, but I'll give you mine. It's bgordon@levinlaw.com. bgordon@levinlaw.com. Daniel's is dnigh, D-N-I-G-H, @levinlaw.com. So I think that just about wraps it up. Daniel, anything comments to give them that we've forgotten?
That's all.
I think the bottom line is you don't know what your rights are going to be until you talk to a lawyer and until you follow up with your doctor. And our biggest thing we see the most that people are concerned about is if you've only had this device in your body for a year. In fact, many of the local people we've talked to have only had the implant in for 11 months, 10, 11 months. What we're seeing in the studies that are coming out so far is that most people, it takes 1.5 to 3 years to see a frank failure of the device. That is, to see enough metallosis, enough metal reaction and tissue damage to where it becomes symptomatic, to where either you can report pain to your doctor or other signs of loosening, you know, like clicking and popping and those kinds of things, or your physician sees radiographic or other clinical evidence of loosening. So, you know, hopefully you won't have a problem. Not everyone will, but just because you don't have a problem a year or two after surgery, you still should call and check out your legal rights because the statute of limitations is running.